Hi, my name is Luigi. I live here in Bologna, this beautiful city which has become famous in the recent year for its cuisine, but not only. In fact, today Bologna is considered the capital of Italian food, because in Bologna the food is really good and authentic. Many of the most famous Italian dishes were born in Bologna, such as the Bolognese sauce, perhaps the most famous Italian sauce in the world. But not only, also tortellini, also tagliatelle or fettuccine, also the lasagnas were born here in Bologna. In fact, the tortellini is the oldest Bolognese pasta. It's between 8 and 900 years old. Then we have the tagliatelle. Tagliatelle is 512 years old. Then third is the Bolognese sauce. Bolognese is 350. And the younger, the baby, is the lasagna, is only 200 years old. Bologna is the ideal city for food lovers, a crossroad of culture, smells, flavors, colors, and that will inebriate you if you, during your stay here in Bologna, if you come here in Bologna. Here you can immerse yourself in the pleasure of eating a good plate of handmade pasta, or experiencing a thrill of driving a supercar like Lamborghini or a motorbike like Ducati. Both are from Bologna also. Bologna is a very cultural city. In fact, the first university in the world was born here in Bologna in the 1088. In these videos, which you will find here, I will take you on a beautiful journey through Bolognese and Italian cuisine. From the basics, for example, how to hold a knife or cut an onion, to complete Italian dishes prepared like Italians. Well, are you ready? Let's go. Let's begin.